welcome back to another, let's say, vlog. I don't even know what to call these. I might get a name for the vlogs that we got going on. But here, let me try to get the camera set up. I think that's good. Alright. So, today we got, oh, I forgot to mention, today is my birthday. So, the title of the video, I think you'll know by the title of the video, I'm probably gonna call it "It's My Birthday." So straight up, my girl came in clutch, got me a Ghostface shirt. I'm gonna put the two shirts that she got me on the screen. We got some trim lights. Sorry, they're grinding up some trees that fell last night. But I got some trim lights from Amazon. The brands I pick on Amazon I really like. I know how to work them. They work electric, like you can wire them or you can USB plug them. I like that, having the option and stuff. We got some Underglow, and this is a different brand, but this is the one I wanted to get because it's actually wired separately, so that's going to be good. And they have super small plugs, so that way nothing's going to fit in those holes. We got some screws, some zip ties that come with it, and then I'm assuming this is hot, so this is just going to be what powers it all. So we got a negative and a positive. We're going to plug it up right where we had it before. And I wonder how many strips they gave us though. Did they give us any cool stickers or anything? No, but they gave us a nice bag to put the screws in. Alright, so we got 4 right here and 2 right here. I think it's going to be 2 in the front, 1 on each side, and then 2 in the back. I think that's how they usually do it. Yeah, because they give you 2 long ones and then 2 short ones, and then 2 short ones again. So, first, we got pretty much all day to do all of this. So, the next thing I want to do is also starlights, but that's going to be in a different video, okay? Let me put all this up. I'll cut it back, okay? Alright, so Underglow here. We got our trim lights. It works to a jack, so I could actually make that work without any crazy wires if I didn't want them. But, and then we got these. These are the expensive ones. They're clear. They don't come a certain color. You have to pick the color that you want. So, that's good. Meaning it comes with a remote. You can change it. We got this. I'm probably going to start with the trim lights today. Set these up. We're going to do the trim lights first. Kind of got shit dropping. I got a new charger for the car, so I could do all that. This is an extra, like, I'm pretty sure it's a non-static bag, so I'm probably going to be putting the old Underglow in here, and then if anybody wants it or can fix it, they can. But the last thing I got is the one and only. I've been wanting this for so long, and all this stuff my girl got me for my birthday, so I'm so hyped about that. But I finally got a Wickerbill, and the one I've been wanting specifically because it's, you'll see in the meantime. But we're gonna have to somehow figure out how to put these rivets in without using a rivet gun. And there's thousands of ways to do it, but I kind of got a way in my brain that I think it'll work, so we're just gonna try it that way first and see how that goes. And then I guess if we ever need to, we'll go get a rivet gun. But let's throw all this stuff together. I'm gonna see what the Wickerbill is looking like, but first I gotta get the car out of the garage. The car is all in the garage, so I'm gonna have to move the car out of the garage, and then first I gotta go get the keys, so I'm gonna be right back. First thing on the list we gotta fix is this. There's a big old gap that goes on my dash, as you can see. And if I was to put my trim light right here, it's not gonna fit because of this gap. So I'm basically gonna fix the gap with some glue. So we're gonna glue here, and then glue here, and then it should be good to go. Fix the gap. Gap is fixed. And if you're wondering what I used, I just literally used a torch and some hot glue stick. Because the hot glue gun wouldn't fit in there, but the stick did. So I just stuck the stick in there while it was hot, press it together. And I'm gonna clean up the edges, and boom. Good to put it back in. Now we can put the trim lights in, and they'll look good.
That shit with autofocus. Yeah, it's 60.
I'm like, yeah, you know, I gotta. Auto soda is $200 cheaper than you. Bullshit part. $200. You know what? I was just pissed.
Hell no. That's
That kid. Where's the Marley? That much fun getting in here.
I ain't gonna lie. It's just a bunch of college douchebags, so we might dip pretty soon.
We also can't act like they're not probably our age, but we didn't go to college.
I don't want to socialize with these people.
Like, you can just hear in their conversations, we're not related.
Yeah, they just sound younger. But either way, and
There's some nice cars out
it's
here.
a nice turnout, I guess, but just a lot of people we really don't know. But I'll probably get out one more time to stroll around to see the new cars and then hit the hay. Uh-oh.
There's a lot of bikes coming in, which I'm nervous. But there also is, I think there's like games going around because we're around, what is it called, babe?
I don't know, but don't say the name.
I was just gonna say like a place where you come and play sports.
Yeah, it's a
There's
sports
tennis.
complex.
Yeah.
What do you call it? Yeah, the fucking, I don't know. Either way, we're looking good. We got that set up, so it's all that worried. I just wanted to see maybe if we can get some attention out here.
We could probably even like once we get out of here go find an empty parking spot to get some clips.
Yeah, that'll probably work.
Just so we can get a full 360 instead of cars and people.
Yeah. But I want to show you like how many people are just, I don't know what it is about my car, but they're just standing right in front
And
of it.
it's like the whole people.
It's like the whole lot.
The whole
And now there's
right
a-
right in front of.
No, there's a car alarm going off. Somebody's Mercedes is getting robbed. Plain sight.
Oh, did you tell them how a cop pulled right behind you as soon as you pulled
No, I
in?
didn't. We were literally pulling in. As soon as I pulled in, I hit a little pool. I don't even think I went over the speed limit, but it was loud, and I didn't think it was a cop behind me. It didn't look like it. It was like pitch black on the road, but I had my underglow on a single color though. And as soon as I took a right to pull into this parking lot, he pulled in with me. I was literally ready to get pulled over.
You were like, "Are we about to get pulled over?"
Pretty much. I was like, no fucking way there's a cop. And it was a cop. But we readjusted the wicker bill, and now the wicker bill's straight, and even in the rear view camera, or the rear view mirror, it looks straight. So everything's good to go now. Eat
That's just a cooler. Yeah, it's just an inner cooler. Yeah.
That's a nice little truck. Alright, you know what? You want me to get both sides?
Just keep sliding. tape up like 2-3 inches so it's even, by the way. But so far, everything's held up really good. Wicker bill looks alright. I'm very picky with everything I do, so even the wicker bill, I'm like, I had to make it straight. But we got it good now. Underglow, I still gotta do the back section. I gotta figure out how to extend it.
I need ponchos like these, bro.
This is what you're doing? Looking at Patrick and SpongeBob bread?
I need some of these.
Well, thank you guys for watching. We're gonna pretty much put an end to this vlog. I'm gonna try to upload it tonight. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like
We
the
also
channel.
need to get your birthday vlog up.
Yeah, we gotta do that, so I guess I'll edit that for her.
No, I'll edit it.
Okay, well, and then, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you next time.